moving along much smoother than compared to months past. And today I spoke to a scientist who showed me all this new data collected during the shutdown. You may have noticed this about life around Richmond lately.
People are saying, isn't it amazing? The birds sound like they're in stereo.
Chief Scientist Dr. Jeremy Hoffman from the Science Museum of Virginia studies the impact the shutdown has had on our daily lives.
Our traffic has responded quite dramatically in response.
He says traffic near the Bryant Park interchange reduced upwards of 40 to 50% depending on the day as families stay home to avoid COVID-19. The number of car crashes declined too.
And then here's March 2020, we're down at 282. So about a 45% reduction in the number of car crashes.
It's just crazy that literally one day the music was going and then one day it stopped.
Fewer cars on the road means less business at Sweetie Boy Repair in Chesterfield.
So on an average day, we would see anywhere from 15 to 35 calls. Yesterday, we had 2.
Tyler McCormick has managed to keep all 80 of his employees on the payroll.
To date, we have not furloughed anybody.
To ensure his workers stay busy, he now offers 50% off services to all first responders fighting on the front lines.
They are the reason why we are all being safe today, because they're risking their lives every day.
A bittersweet reality that this pandemic impacts us all differently.
I think that we'll see some long-term positives that come out of this devastating situation that we're in right now.